What's going on?
The Easter Bunny dropped this one.
Really? What do you
Oh
think?
my goodness, look at all the eggs in here.
You think the Easter Bunny was here?
Yeah. We were sleeping and the Easter Bunny came.
Really? What did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Eggs.
Really? Wow. Do you see any eggs anywhere? What? Your egg went under the couch?
Where? Which one? Which one, Dad?
Right here, Val.
Let me get it for you.
What's under there, Tyler?
I see it. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've been there. Look what's in there.
What do you think is in there?
Easter Sunday, April 4th, 2010.
Yeah, what do you think, Ben? What do you think? Here.
Come here.
I think this one's Ben's. Want to trade him?
On the tray? Show me
You have to give him this one first. Give him this one.